Hello and welcome to Wrexham Volkswagen. My name's Joe and this is a quick video of the ID.3 that we have available in stock for an immediate collection. This is the third generation of Volkswagen, quite unique to the marketplace. It is fully electric. You'll notice that the car is a little bit higher off the ground, and that's because the battery is underneath the car. So this gives you an elevated driving position, which makes it for a more comfortable drive and a more pleasurable driving experience. You'll of course notice that the bonnet is smaller than your typical combustion engine. And what this actually does, by reducing the size of the bonnet, it gives you more space as a passenger. So as you sit in the car, you will feel more spacious and far more comfortable as well. This model of the ID.3 is the Style, and it's in Moonstone Grey, which gives you these 18-inch alloy wheels as well. Combination of colours looks really well together. You got the grey with the black roof stretching over the bonnet, over to the back of the boot. With your black and silver alloys, really sets it apart. And as we look inside, you can already see that feeling of space. There's far more space in these new electric car than you would have had in your previous combustion engine because of the way that it's designed. And that's also the same for the back as well. We've also got a spacious boot for all of your everyday needs. And there you've got your charging cable as well. Parking sensors with the car are standard. And into the driver's seat. You've got a real modern feel of the car with its speedometer, a digital display in front of you, and the infotainment system as well. Everything is touch sensitive. For the parking, the climate control, and the volume. And also touch sensitive multifunction steering wheel as well for your adaptive cruise control and your voice control as well. And one of the biggest things that you will experience in this is that feeling of space. And if you would like to come down and test drive this car, we do have one available for you to drive, and we'd be more than happy to make an appointment for you. Thank you, we look forward to seeing you soon.